everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today I'm going to be doing a few coloring tutorials, about 2 coloring tutorials for colorings, and none of these are my coloring, so please do not give credits to me. But basically, I don't have like a visual representation of them, but yeah, we're just going to get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find a video, so let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to use this video of Madison Beer, and I'm just going to go ahead and quickly save it to my camera roll. Oh, actually, I can just save like this. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into Prequel, and I'll put the settings up on the screen so you guys can go ahead and just copy those. Then you're going to go into Ultralight. And then you're going to click, and you're going to make clarity to -7, sharpen to +10, and then emphasize. You're going to put it towards the 10 side, but just adjust it depending on the lighting. So I'm going to make it about like 8, and then make noise to -10, and then you can go ahead and save it. Then you're going to go into this app. I still don't know how to say it, but there you go. There's the name on the screen. Then you're going to click video editing, choose your video, then click on the video and click image quality repair. This is just to make the quality of the video a bit better, so you're just going to let that do its thing. And then you can go ahead and save it to your camera roll. And it should end up looking something like this. So it's kind of like a darker coloring, and you can obviously mix around, like, what's it called, play around with the hue. So it can be like a darker blue or another color. So now for the second coloring, which is a little more summery, and it was really trendy last year, but it's kind of like a modified version. So first we're going to go into Prequel. And the Prequel settings will once again be on the screen, so you can go ahead and just use those. And then you can go ahead and save the video to your camera roll. And after this, we're going to go on to 24 FPS. So then you're going to go into 24 FPS, and you are going to import your video. After you go into 24 FPS, you're basically going to use the red flavor QR code. I don't know if I have it. I feel like I deleted it. Okay, I did delete it. So I need to go and get that first. After you do that, you're going to go ahead and save this to your camera roll. And then we're going to go back onto Prequel. And once again, the settings will be up on the screen for you guys, so you can go ahead and just copy those. And then you can go ahead and save the video to your camera roll, and then after that you are all done with the coloring. And here's how it should look. So this is a very classic summer coloring. But yeah, that is it for this video. Oh my god. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.